Hello and welcome back to Soft Computing series. In this video, let's learn example based on fuzzy set operations. Before starting examples, do watch my previous videos based on soft computing and fuzzy system. It's very important to clear the topics before solving the examples. Let's get started. First example is, consider two fuzzy sets A and B. Find following function. Theoretic operations for fuzzy set A and B. So in fuzzy system, fuzzy sets are given in this format under strike with a tilde sign. So this is called as fuzzy set A and this is called as fuzzy set B. In this question, four operations are given. Number one is A union B. Second is fuzzy set A intersection fuzzy set B. A difference B, B difference A, and fifth operation is prove De Morgan's principle, where two sets are given. First set is A equals to, it contains these elements. So the elements of fuzzy sets are written in the curly bracket. First element is 0.1 upon 1 plus 0 upon 2 plus 0.2 upon 3. Next is 0.5 upon 4 and 0.4 upon 5. So these are the elements in fuzzy set A. In fuzzy system, elements in set are represented in this format. 0.1 upon 1, this is one element, followed by the plus sign. Similar way is the fuzzy set B. So these are all the elements in fuzzy set B. In my previous video, I shared different operations on fuzzy sets. In that video, I also shared De Morgan's principle. Do watch that video to know De Morgan's principle. Let's get started with this example. Let's solve first operation. Here we have to solve 5 operations. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here two sets are given, set A and set B. Let's solve the first operation, that is A union B. Now to perform A union B, we have to follow the formula. So we have to follow this. Mu A union B of x equals to mu AX union mu B x. This union symbol indicates maximum. So to perform A union B of fuzzy set, we have to use this symbol, which means maximum. Let's see in this example how to calculate union. As in my previous video, I shared union in fuzzy set means maximum, whereas intersection means minimum. Now to calculate A union B in fuzzy system, let's consider two sets, set A and set B. So this is set A and set B. Now we have to take maximum element from the two set. Now here, first element of set A is 0.1 upon 1 with the denominator 1 is the first element in set A. In set B, 1 upon 1 with the denominator 1 is first element from set B. Similar way, 0 upon 2 is the second element in set A. 0.5 upon 2 is the second element in B. So to solve A union B, we have to compare first element, then second element, third element, and so on. Let's find the first element. To find first element, let's compare the two elements. Compare 0.1 and 1, that is first element from both the set. After comparing, find max element. So 0.1 and 1, max element is 1. So write 1. So 1 upon 1, this is the first element. Now to find second element, compare second element from both the set. This is second element from A set and this is second element from B set. Now compare both these set. Compare 0 and 0.5, which is max from both this. So here 0.5 is max. Write 0.5 upon 2. Third element 0.2 and 0.6. Which one is max? Max is 0.6. Write 0.6 and denominator 3. Plus compare the fourth element 0.5 and 0.8. Which one is max? Here 0.8 is max. 0.8 upon 4, that means this is fourth element. The numerator and denominator together form one element. Last element 0.4 and 0.5, which is max 0.5. Write 0.5 upon 5. So these are the 5 elements in A union B. So to find A union B in fuzzy set, compare two elements and select max element. Now let's find A intersection B. To find fuzzy set A intersection B, here we have to use minimum operation. Consider two sets, set A and set B. These are element in set A. Similar way, these are the element in set B. Compare each element, and now for A intersection B, take minimum value. As in union we took max value, so in intersection we have to take minimum element. Let's start. First 0.1 and 1, which is the minimum. Here 0.1 is minimum. Write 0.1 upon 1. This forms the first element. Compare second 0 and 0.5. So 0 and 0.5. So write 0 upon 2. Now let's compare third element 0.2 and 0.6, which is minimum 0.2. Write 0.2 upon 3. Next element 0.5 and 0.8. 0.5 and 0.8, which is minimum 0.5. Write 0.5 upon 4. Next 0.4 and 0.5. Select minimum, that is 0.4. 0.4 upon 5. So this is fuzzy set A intersection B. So this is the set. So in fuzzy set, to find A union B, use max, that is select max element. Fuzzy set A intersection B, use minimum. So this is the first operation result and this is second operation result. Now let's move on to the third one. Third one, that is A difference B. Now to calculate A difference B, we need the formula, that is fuzzy set A intersection fuzzy set B complement. This bar indicates complement. If you have watched my previous video, you will know what is this bar sign. This bar indicates complement, fuzzy set B complement. Now to calculate A difference B, we need A intersection B complement. So to calculate, we need to consider A set and B complement set. So given is A set, whereas B complement is not given. Here in this example, we need to calculate B complement. Now let's see how to calculate B complement. To calculate B complement, we have to apply 1 minus mu B of x, that is we have to minus 1 from B set. So mu B of x is nothing but set B itself. To calculate B complement, we need B set. So this is set B with all the 5 elements. Now minus 1 from each element. So how to find first element? Let's see. 1 minus 1 is 0. That will be 0 upon 1. This is the first element in B complement. Plus 1 minus 0.5, that will be 0.5 upon 2. Plus for third element 1 minus 0.6, that will give 0.4 upon 3. Denominator 3. 1 minus 0.8, that will give 0.2 upon 4. That is the fourth element. For the last element 1 minus 0.5, that will give 0.5 upon 5. So here to find B complement, so we'll perform subtraction, that is 1 minus the first element, that is 1. This will give 0, that is the first element. Now for second one, 1 minus 0.5, that is 1 minus 0.5, that will give 0.5. Similar with third one, 1 minus 0.6, that is 1 minus 0.6, this will give 0.4. In this way we will calculate 1 minus 0.8, that is 0.2, 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5. In this way we calculate B complement. Now let's move on and find A difference B. So now consider A set which we already have and consider B complement set which we calculated now. So perform this operation for A difference B, that is A union B complement. Now perform this operation A intersection B complement. Consider the set A, this one, this set, and B complement this set. Compare both, and for intersection select minimum. So let's compare set A and B complement set. This is set A and B complement set. First element is 0.1 and 0. So compare minimum. So minimum from set A and B complement is 0. 0.0 and 0, minimum is 0. That is 0 upon 1, second one. So for this example, we are considering this set and this set. So compare first element 0.1 and 0, we get 0. For second element 0 and 0.5, which one is minimum? 0 is minimum. So compare each element 0.1 and 0. 0.1 and 0, minimum is 0, write 0 upon 1. Second element 0 and 0.5, compare 0 and 0.5, both elements, minimum is 0, write 0 upon 2, plus third element from set A and third element from B complement. Compare 0.4 and 0.2. Minimum is 0.2, write 0.2 upon 3. For fourth element 0.5 and 0.2, which is minimum 0.2, write 0.2 upon 4. For the last element, compare last element from both the set, that is 0.4 and 0.5. So which is minimum from 0.4 and 0.5? 0.4 is the minimum, right? 0.4 upon 5. So this is A difference B. To find A difference B, we have to perform this operation, that is A intersection B complement. For this, we consider this set and this set. Now let's move on for the fourth operation, that is B difference A. To find this, we need to calculate again fuzzy set B intersection A complement. Now again, for this we have to consider B set and A set. In this, calculate A complement as we did for the above operation, this one. Now let's find A complement. To calculate A complement, we have to apply 1 minus mu A of x, same way did for B complement. To calculate A complement, we have to apply 1 minus mu A of x, same way did for B complement. So minus 1 from set A. Let's start. So for the first element, 1 minus 0.1, that is 1 minus 0.1 equals to 0.9. So A complement, first element will be 0.9 upon 1. So this forms the one element. For the second element, plus 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 will give 1, that is 1 upon 2. This is the second element. Similar with third element, 1 minus 0.2, that will give 8. 1 minus 0.5, that will give 0.5 upon 4, plus 1 minus 0.4, that will give 0.6 and 5, denominator 5 for the fifth element. So this is A complement set. Now let's calculate B difference A. So we have to apply B intersection A complement. Consider set B and consider set A complement we just calculated. So to find this, we are considering this. I have marked star. So we are considering this set and this set. So we'll compare this set and find B difference A. So B intersection A complement. Let's start. 1 and 0.9 compare. Take minimum from 1 and 0.9. Minimum is 0.9. Second is 0.5 and 1. 0.5 and 1. Select minimum from these two, that is 0.5. We'll write it as 0.5 upon 2. Plus third element 0.6 and 0.8. 0.6 and 0.8. Minimum is 0.6. Write it as 0.6 upon 3. plus fourth element 0.8 and 0.5. Minimum from these two is 0.5. Write it as 0.5 upon 4. Next, fifth element, that is 0.5 and 0.6. Minimum from these two is 0.5. So we'll write it as 0.5 upon 5. So this is B difference A. Now let's calculate last operation, fifth operation, De Morgan's principle. So the first De Morgan's principle is A union B whole set complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. For this, let's calculate first RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. Let's calculate first RHS. For RHS, we need to consider first set A complement and second set B complement. So we have A complement and B complement. Now let's consider A complement and B complement set. So compare each element from both the set and select minimum. For the first element, 0.9 and 0. 0.9 and 0 minimum is, so in intersection we select minimum. 0.9 and 0 minimum is 0. Next, 1 and 0.5 minimum is 0.5. Third element, 0.8 and 0.4 minimum is 0.4. So for this we are considering this dot set and this dot set marked. So this two set we are considering. Now for the fourth element, 0.5 and 0.2 minimum is 0.2. We'll write it as 0.2 upon 4. For the last element, 0.6 and 0.5. So from 0.6 and 0.5 we'll select minimum element, that is 0.5. We'll write it as 0.5 upon 5. So this is the whole set, that is the RHS of De Morgan's first principle. Now let's find De Morgan's LHS. Now to calculate RHS of De Morgan's first principle, that is A union B whole complement, we have to calculate 1 minus mu A union B of x. That is, we have to minus 1 from A union B. Mu A union B of x is nothing but A union B. So already we have calculated A union B, that is this set I have written in red color. So let's find. We have to minus 1 from each element. Let's start. That will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. Write it as 0 upon 1 plus second one is 1 minus 0.5, that is second element. That will be 0.5 upon 2. For third element, 1 minus 0.6, that will be 0.4 upon 3. Fourth element, 1 minus 0.8, that will be 0.2 upon 4. And for the fifth element, 1 minus 0.5, that will give 0.5 upon 5. So this is the RHS. That means here LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Now in De Morgan's principle, as I showed you in the previous video, there are two parts of De Morgan's principle. So we have solved first part. This is the second part of De Morgan's principle. In the second part, we have to calculate A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. Here also we have to calculate RHS and LHS. Let's first calculate RHS. One. So consider set A complement and B complement, which we have already calculated, and we have to take union, that is max from both these. So I have written all the elements from each set here. That is A complement set and B complement set. So let's compare. 0.9, select maximum. Max is 0.9. Write it as 0.9 upon 1. So compare these and write max. 1 and 0.5, max is 1. Write it as 1 upon 2. Similar way, 0.8, 0.4, max is 0.8. Next is 0.5 and 0.2, max is 0.5. Last is 0.6 and 0.5. Last is 0.6 upon 5. So this is the RHS of the De Morgan's principle. Now to find De Morgan's Second principle. Now to calculate LHS, we need to calculate RHS, that is A intersection B, the whole set complement. We have to calculate 1 minus mu A intersection B of X. Similar way we did for the first principle of De Morgan's. So we have to minus 1 from A intersection B. So mu A intersection B of X is nothing but A intersection B we already calculated. So this is A intersection B set. These are all the elements. So we have to apply 1 minus A intersection B. So let's minus 1 from the whole set. 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. And last element 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. So write it in this form. So these are all the elements of A intersection B whole complement, which is the LHS. Here LHS equals to RHS. Hence proved. In this video we learned how to calculate A union B, A intersection B, fuzzy set A difference B, B difference A, and fifth De Morgan's principle, which has two principles. First principle, that is A union B whole set complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Second principle of De Morgan's is A intersection B whole set complement equals to A complement union B complement. So in this video we also calculated both this formula and also calculated LHS and RHS. So this was example based on fuzzy set operations. Stay tuned for more examples on fuzzy set. Like, share and subscribe for more updates on fuzzy set. Thank you for watching.